And now let's have female candidate number 6, Miss Pauline Pajardo.
Good evening, everyone. Pick your question. Louis. Just like with the other candidates, I'll be reading the question twice, and then you'll be answering, obviously. Here's the question. If you have 30 minutes a day to do anything you want, what would you do? Again. If you have 30 minutes a day to do anything you want, what would you do?
If I have 30 minutes a day, I am going to spread love. Love, because if you invest love in your heart, there will be no more hatred. And if there's no more hatred in our hearts, we can have a peaceful mind, heart, and soul. And if that will happen, we can all live in a happy and simple life. That would be all.